Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In my last video I talked about this particular pair, boom 500 index, and I predicted the buys and the market moved nicely. All right, and I told you guys I missed the opportunity because I was expecting the market to do a retracement or a pullback so I can enter, but the market did not do that. All right, so you can see the structure still remains like we have a higher high. Market is creating higher highs and higher lows right now, like as we can see here. So these are higher highs and higher lows. All right, so now on the four, this is a daily time frame, but on the 4 hourly time frame, you will see this was the structure we saw as of that time. We had this lower lows and lower highs that were formed. Then we had the breakout. All right, so we had the breakout at about this zone. After the consolidation, you see there was a breakout, then the market consolidated and moved swiftly. I was actually waiting for the expecting the market to do a retracement so I can enter. All right, so that did not happen immediately. The market bought massively until it got to this high, before it started pulling back. Now what happened, you can see the market came back to this same zone. See, it came back to this same zone. I think this happened yesterday. On getting back to this same zone to do a retest of this breakout, then you see the massive move. Now the market is moving massively. Now to confirm that this market is still moving massively, you can see this is a high, this is a higher high. Now this is a low, this is a higher low. All right, showing market is creating higher highs and higher lows. And also the structure the market formed, so we can easily place this trend line, because sometimes these drawings we put on the chart help us, they guide us in our they give us a kind of a shape of the movement of the market that can help us understand what's really happening. Right now you can see we have a pattern right here, so I can remove these ones now so that I have a few lines, only a few lines on my chart. All right, so you can see the movement here. So now the market is buying, and with this you can also see there was a trend here that can be, you can just put another trend line somewhere here. You can put another trend line somewhere here. This is a continuation setup. All right, indicating the market will continue with the buys. So as it is, we are expecting the market to buy to this high, to this particular high, and even beyond it. We are expecting such to happen on this particular pair as you see right now. So it is very important that you take note of this. All right, if you want to join this particular pair in the movement, and if you bring this Fibonacci retracement to down to this, from this low to this high, you can see this zone is almost at the golden zone is almost where the market came to do the retest. All right, so this still confirms that movement. So what I'm trying to explain here is whenever there is a breakout after a consolidation, there's always a retest. Sometimes it may not happen immediately, sometimes it happens immediately. Like this one, I think it took about 2 days before the market could sell back to this zone to do the retest. And then we have another confirmation that indicates the market is going to buy. The market is somewhere at a very strong zone. There's another strong zone somewhere here where the market is debating, is debating within itself, you know, to buy. All right, to, but we can see there is a breakout as of now. But since the market still has about 3 hours to go, so we are yet to confirm that the market will not return. But from the look of things, there's a very high chance the market will continue with the buys. So if you want to enjoy this, if you want to join this trade right now, you can't join right now. I don't know when you'll be watching this video. What you have to do is to wait. If this particular candlestick closes bullish, then you see another candlestick forms and closes bearish on this same zone. It's a very nice opportunity to take a buy. If you take a buy here with the minimum lot size of 0.2, I think you should make something reasonable. All right, your TP can be somewhere here or even here, and there's a very high chance the market will get them. With the TP 0.2 lot size, you should make about $24 or $26 profit. All right, from there. Okay, about $26 profit from there, from here, this particular entry here. So it is very important to take note of that. Don't be in a hurry, because right now if you enter this trade here, this is a 4-hourly time frame, the market can decide to start selling and you'll be in some floating losses. All right, so just be patient, wait for the market to close on this same time frame. bullish as it is, then the next 4 hourly candlestick closes bearish on this zone, it gives you more confirmation to enter the buys and your stop loss will be reduced. All right, then you enjoy the buys. Now, this another thing you need to also understand. Let me take you guys to boom 1000 index. I want to show you something. Boom 1000 index. Let's go to the boom 1000 index. All right, so I remember when I shared a setup, sorry, my analysis here, and then we talked about the market buying. I was expecting the market to buy from here. The market broke. There was a trend line here during that time. Then the market broke and got to this level. It returned. There is no obvious change of character, as you can see on this time frame. Then the market on coming back to this zone, was expecting a market to buy from here, because I was seeing like the market trying to form a kind of a double bottom, but instead that did not still happen. You see, instead it's rather sold. All right, so you can see the market had to sell down to this level here, this particular demand zone. The market had to sell down to this demand zone before it started buying, or maybe you can call it other block. It came to this zone after he started buying. Now, what I want to show you guys is on the daily time frame. Let me show you something on the daily time frame, guys. So look at this daily time frame. All right, when this market was let's see. Okay, now you see what happened here. See what happened here, this high, previous high, because one of the things you need to understand when reading market structures, or you're trying to trade the market according to the structures you see, you also have to consider strong resistance and support zones that are available on the chart. All right, so looking at what happened here, you can see that this is actually a zone the market has been rejecting previously. So on buying to this zone here is a very nice opportunity to look for sales, because until that zone is broken, nothing happens there. All right, so you can see the only, if you bring a horizontal line to place um where we had the previous high, because as you can see, this is a very valid high. The market only created a liquidity sweep here. There was just a sweep here with this bearish candlestick, and this sweep alone made the market look bearish, like to start selling from there. All right, you can see the market sold all the sales. Those are what we saw on the lower time frame. So you can see the market started selling from here down up to this level, and then pulled back a bit, come down, and this is what we saw on the 4 hourly time frame as that kind of corrective move to that to make the market continue with the buys. So right now the market is buying. The market is buying because if you check the 4 hourly time frame, like I said earlier, you will see this structure right here. Let me draw the line to make it look good. All right, let me draw the line. Sorry. Okay, if I duplicate this line here, okay, so you can see what we have here. You can see what we have here, and the market is buying, so we expect more buys. So the only way you can join this buy is by waiting for a pullback. Once there is a pullback, to create a, because now the market is creating higher highs and higher lows, while the market is pulling back to create a higher low, you can find your entry from there and enjoy the buys, and then make some cool profit. All right, so there's an analysis also made and shared in my Telegram channel today on step 300 index. I'm already in some deep profits on this pair. It's a very volatile pair, and based on my analysis on the daily time frame, I noticed the market is going to buy massively. It's going to buy massively. That is my profit target, which is about the $462, and the pair is volatile. So the minimum lot size is 0.1, but the margin is small. But the market, you need to have a good account size, because the smallest stop loss you will want to set may take up to, let's say, $20. All right, so you have to be careful when taking this kind of trade, no matter how good the setup is or looks. All right, so this is a very nice opportunity. I'm expecting the market to buy massively. Currently, let me tap on it as if I want to close. This about this $57 profit is still running. All right, still running. It's just the same strategy, guys. So what you have to do is just try to replicate what you've seen me doing, the same way I analyze the chart, apply market structures, the Fibonacci retracement tool, identify strong zones in the market. It's going to help you a whole lot. It's going to help you a lot. So that is why I'm saying those who are going to be those who are going to be enrolling in the August mentorship batch, they are going to learn a whole lot. You're going to, in fact, this is one of the best strategies I've ever had for myself. It's one of the best strategies. So if you are yet to enroll or to take action to join the August mentorship batch, try and do so as soon as possible. All right, there's a link in the description of this video. Click on that link, it takes you to my Telegram channel. In the Telegram channel, you'll find my direct contact. Then you can reach out to me, and also the information regarding the August mentorship batch, how to take action, is also there on the channel. All right, my Telegram direct contact is there, my WhatsApp direct contact is also there. So try as much as you can. Although the registration is ending on Sunday, today, 3rd August. All right, but if you're really interested, send me a message as soon as you can so they can book your spot. All right, so till my next video, I have a lot of information to share with you guys. Just keep an eye on this channel because you are going to learn a whole lot. All right, see you guys in my next video. Like this video, share it in the comment section, subscribe to this channel. Don't just watch the videos and be moving away. Subscribe to this channel and let us grow in numbers. See you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Peace out.